Assalamualaikum guys, today we have the latest MacBook M3 Max chip. We have these two models और ये दोनों M3 Max में हैं. Now I'm gonna review each of the MacBook one by one. The first one is in silver color. Actually today we are going to review some of the things that I want to tell you right now. First of all, we are going to review the screen size. Second, the specs, because this MacBook is in 36 GB and the other MacBook is in 18 GB. What is the difference between these two MacBooks and what are the storage space? So first of all, I'm gonna share with you the first. This is the first one MacBook, right? Here you guys can see the condition of the MacBook. This is Apple MacBook Pro M3 Max chip, right? And the memory of RAM is 36 GB. The serial is this one, and Mac Sequoia is the Mac OS. We have the storage is 1 TB, right? So coming back, we will check the Apple coverage storage later. Now this is the second MacBook. It was on charge. The color, this color is known as the space black color. This is space black. Space black color is very close to midnight blue color that was in MacBook M2 Air. So this is the M3 chip. Let me show you. 14 inches, 2023 model, November, Apple M3 Pro, right? So the other MacBook, it was M3 Max and this is M3 Pro. So coming towards the difference between these two, Sequoia again, and it has the 18 GB RAM and it has 1 TB SSD, right? Now coming back towards these Apple coverage, it was launched MacBook M3 or M3 Max, right? It's the M3 Pro or M3 Max Pro. So this is the serial number. This is the purchase date is 8th August 2024. The warranty expired on 18th of August 2025. So now see the condition of the MacBook. You guys can see the buttons, how cool the buttons are, clear, crisp. Let me show you the cycles count as well. The power, 100% battery capacity, 94 counts only. This is the 100% battery capacity and the counts are only 94, right? So now see the buttons, how cool the buttons are. Space black, the color, and sides. There is no scratch. I'm quickly reviewing it. There's no dust particle, HDMI port, and see the back of this MacBook. Here you go, the Mac. So this is MacBook Pro, right? The serial is mentioned over there as well. Now coming back towards the other MacBook. This is in silver condition, right? But this is in 15 inches MacBook. Now I'm going to share the Apple coverage information, its warranty, and when it was launched. So the serial is right. This purchased on 11th May 2024. Coverage expired on 9th July 2025 after 1 year. And the Max M3 Max 36 GB. The cycles count are 81. The battery capacity is 97%, right? So this is it. Now you can also see the condition of this MacBook. It's clear, crisp. As you can see, there is no the fingerprints, the signs of our prints, fingers. This clear, crisp screen. The sides are even more clear. So MacBook Pro, this is the silver color. Now quickly coming back towards the colors and the specs. It was this is with 18 GB RAM and this is with 36 GB RAM. So for what basis you guys should buy and which MacBook you should buy for what purpose? This is the 36 GB RAM. Before I think 2 weeks ago I reviewed one of the MacBook. It was with 48 GB RAM, and we in my iStore we received a call from outside of the city. The person sent the whole amount to us and we shipped the same MacBook via TCS. So this is the again MacBook with the same specs but with 36 GB RAM. Before it was 48 GB RAM, now this is the 36 GB RAM. So this is clean. We are giving you a heavy discount on both of these MacBooks. We offered almost 50,000 discounts the last MacBook that we just sold on 8,30,000. It was 830K, but I'll share the prices of these both MacBooks in the last of this video. So for what purpose you guys should buy which MacBook? This is the handy MacBook, slow and small size as compared to this. This is the larger size. If you guys want to move your MacBook to any place for mobility, this MacBook is fine because this is in M3 chip, 2024, hardly few months use, 100% battery capacity, and 18 GB RAM. I think more than enough for the normal for programmers. But this MacBook I will strongly prefer for designers, for rendering purpose, because it has 36 GB RAM. It will render in minutes. 36 GB RAM, and the second beauty of this MacBook is the big screen. As you guys can see, this is the Ultra Pro Retina model. These are the bezels. As you guys can see, these are the bezels. So here on my iMac, you guys cannot see any bezel, right? This is not any bezel. There isn't any bezel, even LED. So these latest MacBooks, they have these type of latest bezels. So one last question and information that I want to share with you. It has cycle counts 81 and the maximum battery capacity is 97%, right? So it has 97% with 81 counts. Now wait. And this MacBook has 100% on 94. So how 3% of the battery capacity went down on 81% count? So this is a trick that I want to tell you in this video. Whenever you guys are using your MacBook, the MacBook should be on charge. If the MacBook should be on charge, you will only lose your counts. These are the counts, right? On the top of the battery cycles, these are the counts. You will only lose counts. You will not lose the battery percentage itself. When you will use your MacBook without charge, this is the charger. And on these MacBooks, we have two options of charging. We have Type-C, old MacBook cable, it's charging, right? And we have the MagSafe 3 cable as well. So my point is today to tell you, always use your MacBook on charge, because especially we feel problems in summers, because especially in Asia, the weather is really hot, but we guys are using MacBooks inside. We have the AC and we have very maintained temperature in our rooms. So whenever you guys are using your MacBook, the MacBook should be on charge, right? It will help you to resale your MacBook because only cycle count will go down, but not the battery actual percentage. So it's 81, 97. It's 94 and 100 battery. So this is the trick that I shared with you guys. So now we have also discussed the for the programmer and for development purpose and designing, right? Subscribe our video, our channel as well, for the cheap MacBooks ever. Thank you.